have all the ingredients for this beautiful cake for Minnie.
Hiya, Mickey. What you doing?
Hiya, Goofy. I'm making a cake for Minnie now.
Gosh, Mickey, that sounds great. Can I help?
I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, you sure can help, pal. Gee, I seem to have forgotten the flour.
No problem, Mickey. I'll go fetch it for you.
Gosh, sure am lucky to have a pal like Goofy. I sure will be coming back soon. 'Cause I really gotta get this cake in the oven. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-dum. Ba-ba-ba-dum.
Yeah, hiya, Mickey. I'm back with the flour.
Say, Goofy, that's a flour, but not quite the flour I'm looking for.
But, gosh, it's the flour from the garden.
Well, you're right, pal. It is a flower from the garden, but I'm looking for cake flour. That's F-L-O-U-R.
F-L-O-U-R.
That's right, pal. You can find that in the kitchen.
Okay, pal. I'll go have another look then. See you later. Where's the cake flour? F-L-O-U.
Gee, I sure hope Goofy gets back in a minute.
Gosh, I found the flour. F-L-O-U-R. Here I come, Mickey.
Oh boy, thanks, Goofy.
Gosh, I hope the cake turns out great.
Nah, it's gonna turn out swell. Gee, thanks so much for your help, pal.
Gosh, my pleasure, Mickey.
See you real soon.